Hello and welcome back to Gags kitchen. Today we are making a delightful mix of sweet and savory crostini. Perfect for Christmas parties, a New Year celebration, or for any special occasion. These cute little bites are not only super easy to make but also incredibly delicious. We will be making creamy mushroom crostini, a simple strawberry cream cheese, and a cream cheese crostini topped with fresh homemade strawberry jam. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this recipe, you will need a French baguette. I'm using 2 medium-sized baguettes, but if you do not have baguettes, you can use any long bread of your choice. Slice the bread into thin pieces. Once done, place the slices on a baking tray lined with the parchment paper. Brush them lightly with olive oil. Now bake them in preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until they turn slightly crisp. As our breads are roasting, let's quickly prepare a fresh strawberry jam for the crostini. Take about 1 cup of strawberries. I have already washed and soaked them. Remove the leafy tops and chop the strawberries into small pieces. Add the chopped strawberries to a saucepan. Add half cup sugar and the juice of half a lemon. Stir everything well and cook on medium heat for about a minute. Stir again and let it cook for another minute until it begins to thicken slightly. And that is it. Your quick and easy homemade strawberry jam is ready. Turn off the heat and let's move on to the next step. For creamy mushroom toppings, heat a pan and melt a knob of butter. Add 2 cups of washed and chopped mushrooms. Season them with freshly ground pepper and salt to taste, then saute. Cook the mushroom for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the mushrooms are done, push them to one side of the pan. In the empty space, add 1 teaspoon of oil and 3 finely chopped or crushed garlic cloves. Saute until fragrant. Add another small knob of butter. Then a teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Mix well and start adding water little by little, about a tablespoon at a time, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Add a bit more water followed by 2 slices of cheese, or add any grated cheese of your choice. Add another pinch of black pepper and mix well. Adjust the consistency by adding a splash of water. And it's done. Your creamy mushroom topping is ready. Our breads are done and look perfect. Set them aside for now. Next, let's slice some fresh strawberries for the toppings. Remove the leafy top and slice them thinly. I am also cutting few strawberries into halves for the cheese and jam crostini. Once done, keep everything on a plate. I also have some homegrown baby beetroot and fresh coriander leaves to garnish the crostini. You can use basil, microgreen or anything you like to decorate your crostini beautifully. Now it's time to assemble. Take a crostini and top it with our garlic creamy mushroom. Take another crostini and add 2 tablespoons of the creamy mushroom mix, spreading it evenly on the top. Follow the same step for the rest. These savory bites are creamy, cheesy and perfectly garlicky. I'm sure you and your guests will love them. Now for the remaining 2 styles of crostini, we will use soft cream cheese. Scoop some and spread a layer evenly on all the remaining crostini, as this will serve as the base for both the styles. Well, I'm placing these cuties on a big wooden serving board because it makes assembling, arranging and serving them so much easier and prettier too. Next up, our second style strawberry jam and cheese crostini. Take a half tablespoon of jam and spread a thin layer over the cream cheese on each crostini. Top with a strawberry half and it's done. Repeat the rest and just like that, our delicious cream cheese with strawberry jam crostini is ready to enjoy. Our third and final style is simple cream cheese and fresh strawberry crostini. Let's do it. Add a few thin slices of strawberry over the cream cheese layer. And it's done. Repeat the process for remaining crostini. You can drizzle a little balsamic glaze or honey on the top if you like, or keep it simple and fresh. And just like that, our strawberry and cream cheese crostini is ready to be enjoyed. For the final touch, garnish the creamy mushroom crostini with a coriander leaf. Top the cream cheese and strawberry crostini with a baby beetroot leaf. And that is it. Our sweet and savory crostini, perfect as a party appetizer or snacks, are ready to steal hearts and light up your table. And the best part, this recipe does not take hours. Jam can be made a day ahead to save time. So everything comes together in just a minute. They are super easy, absolutely delicious, and look a little fancy too. Perfect to impress your guest. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Share your thoughts and comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen, and I'll see you in next one.